and this movie is called Inside Out for our movie marathon. And while you are watching, you will have your snacks, and these snacks was given by Tiyo Tingi. Mao ni ang sobra sa katong galayg si Teacher Vivian Dre. Kinsa gali ni naghatag, and what will you say? Tiyo Tingi, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Okay, I want you to focus on watching. Okay, I'll be asking you some questions about your realization sa movie, okay? Kasabot wala? Okay, so sit down. Paki-off ko sa suga.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone, this is Teacher Ninia and I'm on my way to Angel's house. Good evening. Where's Angel? Hi Angel, good evening. Karandanim gave you 500 pesos allowance. Karandanim.
Karandanim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Alright. How are you, man Angel? How's your vacation? And how's your life as a daughter? Okay ra? Musta man mo mama? How are you? Okay ra? How's your family situation right now?
I'm pregnant.
Oh, you're pregnant? Congratulations! So Angel have another sibling, younger sibling. Angel mom is pregnant. Pila ka buwan? How many months?
2 months.
2 months. Angel mom is 2 months pregnant. Ikapila ti?
7.
7 kid. Kapito. Sa may gibati ni muna kay Manghod. Akira, are you happy you have a new sibling? Another sibling? Angel is happy. Haba kayo mo nilahang electric fan in town. Haba kayo. Maragya symbol ra yun do. Symbol sa iyang papa. And this is their kitchen. Wow! Isda. And pansit. And rice. And that's their CR. That's their CR. Their CR. Asa man ni matog si Angel? Where does Angel sleep? So Angel sleep here. Ikaw ba niya?
Yeah.
Lanji. Angel's elder sister, and Angel sleeps here. So this is their room. Angel and Lanji. Kumusta man imong pangita ti yung financial situation, family situation?
Makapahiha. Naay makaginansya nasa di.
So
kasagaran ang kamis.
So right now, this past few months, they're not stable in yung income. Their income is not stable. Sometimes they have revenue within their fish business, and sometimes there's no revenue. And you have 6 kids, 6, and that's the 7th. Kanay mo hanggip kan that 7. And asa si Bapa ni Angel apa?
Drive.
So Angel Appa is driving habal-habal motorcycle. And where's Lanji?
Nindagis na.
Wow, Lanji is selling fish. And Lanji mom is resting here. Kano sa kanabuti?
Mga size eh.
So Lanji is the one selling fish, and Lanji mom is resting because she's pregnant. Lanji is a good daughter, kay papahuway si mama, kay siya lay naninda. Very good. Hindi katawa si Angel. Kumusta man ka, Angel? Ha? Kumusta man imong vacation? Enjoy ra ka? Ha? Happy ra ka? Happy. Wala ra kay problema? Wala kay gusto isulti? Wala? Ikaw, te? Mawaw ka? Ano ka? Wow. This is your chance. Naman, Angel, papa ni mama ni Madali. Jofi.
Yes, sir.
Where are you hiding and laughing? Why are you here? You sleep here?
No. A birthday.
Huh?
A birthday.
Lanji, Angel's mom and dad and her other siblings sleep upstairs. There's another room upstairs. They sleep here. Here, Angel mom and Angel's other siblings, they all sleep here. Happy ra mo? Wala may gusto isulti kay madto na ko. Ha? Ha? Enjoy your vacation, ha? Kay mag-study na school na pod mo balik next month. Magtinarong ha, Jofi?
Yes, sir.
Wala, jud may salte? Ha? Isa man?
Thank you sa pagbisita, Derry.
Thank you sa pagbisita, Derry. Nanaot ko nga matabangan si Angel sa pag-eskwela.
So Angel mom said thank you for visiting them, and they also hope that someone will help them and our Angel with her studies. Fighting? Fighting, Angel mom. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.